Previously on Badgertronix. So this is what constitutes coolant in this car. This thing's got 233,000. So this is what our first drain looks like. So after flushing it through 6 times, this is how good it looks. Okay, that's been running a few minutes. We'll turn it off, drain it out, give it a Yeah, so that's how it went. I got a phone call to say the temperature gauge had gone up a wee bit. It never made it to the red, it just moved up slightly from where it was, and because I'd kind of told her to keep an eye on things, she kind of phoned me to say, oh, what should I do? But it was the middle of summer, she was driving in traffic with the aircon on. It's probably perfectly normal for the needle to move up a wee bit. So 20 minutes later, phones again to say the car had cut out, steam coming out from the bonnet. Things weren't looking good, so I went to have a look, and sure enough, this thing was pretty hot. I was pouring water into it and it was just steaming straight away. So obviously you worry about head gaskets and anything else. So got a second-hand radiator to put in, and here we go. So here we go, radiator for the Holden. It crapped out somewhere, so we'll change it out with this one, see what damage was done. we go, that's where that one bit the dust, the whole tank's kind of separated there. Ew, put the new one in. Oh yeah, they all fell off. Just all fell off.
So that new one already in there?
Yeah. There's the L, that's where it split.
Oh, fuck, it is nailed, isn't it?
Yeah.
So what's that from? Just not from like chicken?
Oh, I don't know.
Or was it just, that was actual just fuck?
That's just where they kind of shit themselves. It's just where the tanks kind of joins there. The plastic gets hot and shitty and just breaks. And
but that's what they always do. They always put shit radiators in cars and stuff like
well, exactly. It's kind of, well, it lasted like 15 years, didn't it? Or 10 years or however old this car is. This is what's just drained out of that Holden. It was only running water, being flushed 6 times. The radiator exploded and lost probably its volume of coolant, well, water 2 or 3 times, and we're still draining out brown shit. It's 236,000 k's now, temperature's coming up, new radiators in, new coolant. I'll see how it's going to run from here on in. The fans have just kicked in. Yeah, things seem to be working okay. Seems to be running reasonably smoothly. Can't take it on the road at the moment, it's not registered, so take it for a spin next week hopefully and make sure all's good. So that was the first test of my emergency toolkit from the back of the car, and plenty of tools to change a radiator in a Commodore, so pretty good to know. Pretty shitty quality, but again, emergency use does the job. Oil's black, dirty low, just how you like it. Oil cap looks pretty grim. It's not mayonnaise though, it's just the colour of the cap. So hopefully we've got away without a head gasket, but time will tell, I guess. The fans have just kicked off, so seems to be working well. Bummer. So I don't know if that's a failure of the Foxwell scan tool or a failure of the heap of shit car, but we'll give up on the scanning codes. Yeah, temperature gauge up in the middle, the fans are cycling off and on. There's no fuel in it at all, so no rego, so we're not going anywhere, but yeah, well, plus the battery's completely foobarred, and it's a great quality car. Right, I'm going to open a beer for a job well done. Yeah. Monteith's Imperial Pilsner. Monteith's from west coast of New Zealand, where the old lady's from. Makes a pretty good beer. Not always a big fan of Pilsner, but big fan of that. Right, so as you saw, the car runs fine so far. Didn't pressurise the cooling system, we've got no mayonnaise, no anything else, so on that basis we're gonna get it back on the road, get it registered, get a new battery, put some oil in it, drive it for a week or two, and we'll see how we go. So this might be the end of this series. If the car keeps running, I'm not going to do anything else to it. I'm going to flip it in the auction, get rid of it. If it craps out again, then obviously we'll do all the diagnostics, we'll do a compression test, we'll do a blue fluid, big gasket test, all that kind of stuff. But hopefully, fingers crossed for them and me, I can't be asked doing any more work on that car. Fingers crossed it's going to run long enough to get tipped out somewhere else. But certainly it was running pretty well right now. As I said, it didn't over-pressurise the cooling system, didn't overheat. It just got up to temperature, thermostat open, fans run. So yeah, hopefully it's okay. It's a big old Buick lump, designed in the 70s. Hopefully it's got some 70s resiliency. But yeah, pretty happy with that. Also amazed at how easy it is to change radiators on things that aren't European. I'll leave it there. Okay, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, all those kind of things, and we'll see you at the next one.